Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
What is the hardest stage of a relationship? Relationships are a complex blend of emotions, intimacy, and shared experiences, but are also filled with challenges. As you grow closer to your partner, you inevitably face various stages of the relationship, each with unique difficulties. While every relationship is different, one of the most challenging stages is often the power struggle stage. This is when you and your partner begin to confront the realities of your differences, and doubts about the relationship can creep in, especially when you start questioning whether certain flaws are merely quirks or red flags. Understanding the power struggle stage. The power struggle stage typically occurs after a relationship's initial honeymoon phase fades. Initially, everything feels fresh and exciting, and both partners are usually eager to impress each other. However, as time passes, the rose-colored glasses come off, and the deeper, more complex aspects of the relationship come into focus. This is when control-related issues, differing values, and unmet expectations surface. The power struggle often arises because, at this point in the relationship, both individuals still balance their personal needs and desires with those of their partner. In a healthy relationship, this stage can serve as a necessary growth point, where both people learn how to compromise, communicate better, and evolve together. However, it can also become a make-or-break moment for many couples, as unresolved conflicts or recurring power struggles can cause significant strain. Common issues that arise in the power struggle stage. During the power struggle stage, several issues commonly emerge. Differing expectations. As you get to know each other more deeply, you may realize that you have different expectations regarding your roles in the relationship, future goals, or even how you spend your time together. Misalignment in these areas can lead to frustration and disappointment. Control dynamics. This is often where you start noticing your partner's controlling tendencies or where you, yourself, may attempt to exert control over situations, behaviors, or decisions. Whether it's how finances are handled, how decisions are made, or how much space each partner needs, the power struggle stage tests how you handle autonomy and interdependence. Communication breakdowns. As the novelty of the relationship wears off, communication habits become more apparent. If there has been a lack of open, honest communication from the start, misunderstandings and frustrations can accumulate, further contributing to the power struggle. This stage often forces couples to confront the need for better communication skills. Red flags versus flaws. This stage is where many individuals ask themselves tough questions about their relationship. Are the issues they encounter just natural relationship challenges, or are they red flags indicating deeper incompatibilities? Questions such as, is this behavior something I can accept? Or, is this a deal breaker? Are common as you evaluate the relationship more critically. Why the power struggle stage is so difficult. The emotional tension generated during the power struggle stage is particularly challenging. It's not just about disagreement or misunderstanding. It's about the shifting dynamics between two individuals who are still learning how to balance love and independence, needs and compromise. The stress from unresolved issues can lead to anxiety, resentment, and emotional exhaustion. For some couples, this stage can be so uncomfortable that they start to question the overall viability of the relationship. Moreover, self-doubt can creep in. When conflicts arise, especially those revolving around control, communication, or values, individuals may second-guess their partner's intentions or feelings. This uncertainty can leave one or both partners feeling isolated and unsure whether they are in the right relationship. How to overcome the power struggle stage. The power struggle stage is not necessarily a relationship killer despite its challenges. In fact, many couples grow stronger through this phase. Here are a few ways to navigate the power struggle stage. Improve communication. Discussing your concerns openly and respectfully is vital. Instead of letting frustration fester, make sure you express your feelings honestly and listen to each other's needs. Set boundaries. Healthy boundaries are essential for maintaining balance and respect in a relationship. Clearly defining each partner's personal space, needs, and expectations can help reduce the power struggle dynamics. Focus on compromise. Relationships require give and take. Rather than insisting on having things your way, find a middle ground and be willing to negotiate. Sometimes, it's about finding solutions that work for both partners. Assess the relationship objectively. Take a step back and evaluate whether the issues you're facing are truly red flags or simply differences that require adaptation. It may be time to reconsider the relationship if it's the former. If it's the latter, it may be worth working through. Uncomfortable truths. The power struggle stage is one of the hardest phases of a relationship, as it brings deep, often uncomfortable truths to the surface. It challenges couples to confront their differences, reassess their compatibility, and decide whether they are willing to grow together. While it can be difficult, this stage also offers a powerful opportunity for growth, deeper understanding, and the potential for a stronger, more resilient relationship. By learning to communicate better, set healthy boundaries, and focus on compromise, couples can successfully navigate this difficult phase and move forward in a healthier, more balanced relationship. Diamonds are forever. Marriages are not. At Figueroa and Associates, we understand the complexities of divorce and are here to support you every step of the way. Contact us today to schedule a consultation if you are considering a divorce or a separation and begin planning for the next chapter of your life. Consult with the compassionate and experienced team at the law firm of Figueroa and Associates. Call 855-768-8845 or visit Ask the Lawyer US to book a consultation. The lawyer you hire does make a difference.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.